Alrighty, second grade, it is time for Super Kids. So I tried this with math and it worked out really well. So we're going to continue trying it with our readings. So let's check. I gotta hang on here. I gotta go back to this. Otherwise, we're going to have all kinds of chaos. You won't be able to hear it because guess what? Now you are going to get to listen to the Super Kids story being read by Super Kids, which I know you all like listening to me, but it's so much better when you listen to it on Super Kids. All right, well, let's start here. In our word workbooks, we're on page 56, okay? So I know you can't see that, so just give me 1 second. I gotta go back to my share screen and pick out my page. All right, so now you can see it. So it says, there are many ways to spell long A. A-I, like in fail, A-Y, like in play, A-B-L-E, like in table, E-A, like in steak, and super E, like in make. Sometimes we call that sneaky E, remember that. So it says, write the words that rhyme with and have the same spelling pattern as the first word in each group. So number 1, trace the letters for jail, J-A-I-L. Okay, now let's look at this one. It starts with a P, so that would be pale. So you're gonna write P-A-I-L. Okay, and then this one, tail, T-A-I-L. Okay, so now, since I can't write it on there, what I can do is I can show you in the book here, okay? So give me 1 moment and I'll get that written down so you can see. So remember, these are word ladders. We take the endings of each word. You see that there? Okay. Take the endings of each word and we put them to the beginnings of each word. So let's look at number 2. We have day. So you're going to trace those blue letters, D-A-Y. Okay, and now the next word starts with P-L. So we're going to trace P-L and then put the A-Y on the end. Okay, and the last one, stay. So you're going to trace the S-T and put A-Y on the end. All right, you see that? Does that make sense? Okay. All right. So if you want, you can pause, finish 3 through 8. You're just continuing making those word ladders, however you can, how they go. All right. Now, if you're ready, we're going to go ahead and look at the spelling words. Now, we are not having spelling tests. That would be crazy. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't practice spelling words. Knowing how to spell words is something you need to know even as a grown-up. It makes you smart, and you are smart, and this just makes you even smarter. So you need to know how to spell words. So let's look at our directions at the top here. Write the spelling words that match the definitions or complete the sentences. So let's look at each of these words first. Okay, read them out loud with me, please. Steak, break, great, stay, holiday, yesterday, stain, plain, explain, table, cable, fable. All right, so number 1, better than good. Well, what do you think is better than good? I think it would be great. So I'm going to write G-R-E-A-T on the line, and then I'm going to cross that word off. See what I did there? Okay. Remember, you can pause the video whenever you want. How about number 2? Something that's not fancy is, now I think it's plain, like plain yogurt or plain burger. P-L-A-I-N. Okay, so I wrote that on the line there. Pause it if you need to. It's no big deal. I'll never know. All right, and number 3, the day before today was, that would be yesterday. So we're going to write Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y on the line. I'm going to cross it off my list. You got it? Okay, so once again, pause if you need to. Finish this up. It's no big deal. All right? We are going to take a look at our story next. Okay, so we're going to go back here and we're going to go find our story. I know it's a little clunky here for a minute, but I think we'll have it. And you're going to be able to hear them read you the story in Super Kids, which I think is just even easier. So Oswald's Invitation, chapter 26. So it's pages 104 and 105. Here we go.
Chapter 26. Oswald's Invitation. One day after school, Oswald said to Cass, "I'm having a birthday party a week from Saturday. Do you want to come?" "Sure," said Cass. "Good," said Oswald. "Maybe we'll play basketball or go to a movie or something." "That sounds good," said Cass. "I'll ask my mom if I can come. I'll let you know tomorrow." "Okay," said Oswald. "See you later." "Bye," said Cass. "And thanks." Cass ran off to meet Anna before brownies. "Sorry I'm late," she said to Anna. "I was talking to Oswald. He invited me to his birthday party. It's a week from Saturday." "Oh, Cass," said Anna, "you didn't tell Oswald you'd go, did you?"
Oh man, why do you think Cass well, I would be excited to go to a birthday party, especially one of my friends, but why do you think Anna doesn't want Cass to go? Remember, Anna's on the other team and they've kind of had some issues with that, but they've never been upset with each other. Well, we'll have to find out some more tomorrow and see what's going on there. All right. Okay, we have one final thing to take a look at here. Do you hear the garbage truck behind me? We need to look at what we are reading in our magazine today. Okay, so let's take a look at our magazine articles. We're reading No Water, No Problems. You're reading pages 22, 23. Look, it's all about camels. And then 24 and 25, you're going to read about their eyelashes, their hooves, that they don't sweat, droopy humps, and ah. Okay, so once you've read that, then you come over here and you're looking at this practice page. Our directions, what's called one hump or two, and our directions say use the words below to answer each clue. Then use the letters in the boxes to answer the questions at the bottom of the page. So you're going to need to probably use your magazine as you go through this. So your words are camel, thirsty, droopy, water, eyelashes, hump, oasis, sand, moisture, hooves, and drink. Number one says a special place in the desert where there is water. So you might want to look through the worksheet first before you read so that you kind of know what you're looking for. All right, once you've read, then you take the boxes, the letters in the boxes, see how they all have one letter that goes in a box, and you put them on the lines in the order. All right, friends. That's all we have for Super Kids. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't work too hard, and we'll see you later.